Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add a transitions between clips in CapCut to make your edit smooth and professional. Let's begin. First, open a CapCut app and start a new project or open an existing one. Then add at least two video clips into the timeline. Here you'll see a small white box between the clips and tap on it. And this open the transition menu between with the categories like basic, camera, MG, slide, and more, and tap on any transition to preview it. When you find one you like, tap the check mark to apply. You can also adjust the duration of the transition using the slider below. Then repeat the process between other clips if needed. And that's how you use transitions between clips in CapCut. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any editing tips. Thanks for watching!